In Church News Today this Friday, October 10th, as you study this week's Come Follow Me lesson, find quotes from church leaders to enhance your understanding. This week's lesson focuses on the promise that the Lord thy God shall lead thee by the hand and give thee answer to thy prayers. Primary children in Arizona and New Mexico showed Christ-like love for others in their community with several recent service projects. This included hosting a free car wash and a toy drive. Let the music of the recent General Conference linger by watching and listening to the music the choir sang. Standing on the promises I cannot fall. You can do this by viewing videos of the past conferences' performances as found at thechurchnews.com or on the Church News app. Songs include many new additions to hymns for home and church.